Today I'm going to walk you through this really adorable and cute Easter DIY project for kids and adults to enjoy alike. You could put this on your Easter buffet table. It could be a cute centerpiece. Ours did not make it to Easter because it was so tasty and fun to eat. Let me show you step by step how to make this Easter Peep House. The main difference between the Peep House and a traditional gingerbread house that you'd have around Christmas time is that we're taking a shortcut today and we're going to be using the squares that come from graham crackers that you buy at the store. So icing is going to be what holds this all together, and you definitely want to choose one of the cookie icings and not regular cupcake frosting because the icing will harden a bit and hold it all together like glue. So you're going to start by putting the base, and then you need 3 sides, and you just want to hold it a couple seconds each time you put a new wall up. You want to secure the walls on all sides to the other graham crackers so they stay, but if you just have a little bit of patience, I found it really easy to get right the first couple of tries. And then after you get the 3 walls up, you put on a flat roof, and then you take another square and you break that in half to make the pitch for the top of the roof. So you're going to use 2 smaller rectangle pieces and just put enough icing so it will stick to the roof and the corners will also stick to each other at the top. You're going to have to finagle it a little bit, and then you're going to want to add a little bit more icing down the center of the roof. I was a little bit scared at this point, but it worked out just fine. I just made sure to hold the pieces in place to get the Peep House roof to stay. And then, you know what, you can end up covering that whole roof with icing because you're going to want to put some candy pieces on top. So we're almost able to decorate at this point. What I like to do is just secure those peeps down. Luckily, they fit in the house as well as the outside of the house. It's just the right size when you use graham cracker squares. So then it's time to decorate. Another thing I like to do in addition to putting candy all over is to spread some icing on the bottom of the plate, and that's going to act as glue for the grass. If you find some of these jimmies or sprinkles that are just green color, those make really believable grass. Really cute. I just did a little decoration scene here on the plate for Easter. Thought it's super cute. I'm going to see, maybe you can turn this into a drinking game. Every time I say cute, you can have a drink of your favorite Easter cocktail. Anyways, these little carrots are super, you guessed it, cute. They're sugar decor candies. I don't know what they are. I've actually had them from last Easter. I'm going to have to get more of them. I dropped some of my favorite Easter in my Amazon store. You can shop there, but here's a look at the completed Peep House. I just tried to see how much icing I could get all over, how much candy I could get all over. Use some peanut butter M&Ms. They're the bigger size that look like little Easter eggs, and of course jelly beans. Super cute. If you make it, let me know. I want to see your Peep House. Cheers.